In this video, I'll guide you on how to check how many people have shared your Instagram reel in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel and your like is very important for as. First, open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, locate the reel you want to check. Tap the three dots at the top right of the reel. This will open up the Reel Insights section. Here, you'll find detailed statistics, including the number of accounts reached, reel interactions, profile activity, and more. However, keep in mind that Instagram does not provide a feature to identify exactly who shared your reel. This option is only available for professional accounts, so if you want access to these insights, make sure your account is set to professional mode.